On the occasion of World Pharmacist Day, DPU Pharmacy, in collaboration with Operant Pharmacy Federation, announces International E-Tech Fest Pharmanesia 3.E. In this video, we'll see the registration process for DPU students. Open your browser and type pharmanesia.org in the address bar and search. You will land on the homepage of Pharmanesia. Scroll down and click on Register Now button. The registration page will open. Go through the instruction. Scroll down and click on Registration for DPU Student button. A new page of payment details will appear. Fill your details appropriately. Mention your email, mobile number, full name. Make sure you enter the correct spelling of your name. Select your college name from the drop-down menu. Then enter your date of birth, Aadhaar card number. Mention your qualification as the class you are studying. For example, PharmD 4th year. You can leave the designation blank as it is optional for students. Then enter your ID card number and enrollment number. You can mention ID number as enrollment number. Then enter your roll number. And lastly, mention the names of competitions you want to participate. Then click on Pay button and a pop-up will open. Choose the payment option that suits you. In this case, I'll select the most common payment option, that is a UPI QR code. A fees breakup will appear. Then click on Continue. Scan this code in your UPI app and complete the payment. Once the transaction is successful, a confirmation page will appear, and then you will receive a confirmation mail on your registered mail ID. Now you have successfully registered for Pharmanesia 3.E.